Decoding the phrase rainmaking in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, rainmaking. It's a term that might conjure images of clouds and precipitation, but in the world of business and language, it holds a different significance. Let's unravel the metaphorical meaning behind rainmaking and understand how it's used in everyday conversation. Originally, rainmaking was a term used to describe the practice of inducing rainfall, often through rituals or other non-scientific methods. This literal sense is less commonly used today, but it sets the stage for the metaphorical use we'll explore next. In the modern context, rainmaking is a slang term in the business world. It refers to the ability to bring in new business, generate revenue, or secure new clients, much like how a rainmaker would supposedly bring rain to aid in agriculture. A rainmaker in a company is someone who is adept at creating significant business opportunities, often leading to a downpour of profits. To help you grasp the concept, here are some examples of how rainmaking can be used. Our new partner is a real rainmaker. She's already doubled our client base. The firm is focusing on rainmaking activities to overcome the deficit from last quarter. I hope this video has shed light on the interesting phrase, rainmaking, and added a new term to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is as rich and diverse as the culture it represents, and phrases like these make learning English an exciting adventure. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.